Hi everybody, this is Ms Viv from Rhythm and Rhyme, and today's song is all about colors. Do you know about primary colors and secondary colors? These are your primary colors because you cannot make red and you cannot make yellow and you cannot make blue, and that's the reason why we call them the primary colors. And there are secondary colors which you will learn in our song Mix and Match. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Learn to mix and match together, sing along and play together. Learn to mix and match together, today we're gonna learn. We see colors everywhere, some alone and some with pairs. We see colors everywhere, some alone and some with pairs. Learn to mix and match together, today we're gonna learn. Red and yellow mixed together gives you orange, a beautiful color. Red and yellow mixed together gives you orange, a beautiful color. Learn to mix and match together, today we're gonna learn. Blue and yellow mixed together gives you green that's on the trees. Blue and yellow mixed together gives you green that's on the trees. Learn to mix and match together, today we're gonna learn. Blue and red mixed together gives you purple that lasts forever. Blue and red mixed together gives you purple that lasts forever. Learn to mix and match together, today we're gonna learn. We see colors everywhere, some alone and some with pairs. We see colors everywhere, some alone and some with pairs. Learn to mix and match together, look at what you learn.